Welcome to the Spatial Agent, an innovative app developed by the World Bank. Para is a scientist and a traveling enthusiast. She engages with people to help them find and analyze data, and loves to use the Spatial Agent app. Para will walk us through the app and help us understand more about it. Para walks into a coffee shop, gets herself a coffee, and looks for a vacant table in vain. She walks to one where a gentleman is working on his laptop. Hi, is it okay if I share your table?
Sure, don't mind me. I'm only a writer.
A writer? What is it that you write about?
A non-fiction novel about the most potent challenges facing the world.
Environmental, social, economic? 'Cause that's right up my street.
Well, yes, to all of the above. Let me guess. You're a...
Scientist. I engage with people to help them find and analyze data. I also help people and agencies create reports required for policy formulation for the future.
I must learn more about how you can do so much. And such important work too.
In fact, I'm presently working on the forest fires in India.
Degradation of native environment. It's in my book.
You must be basing your findings on accurate data. Do you know India only has 707,000 square kilometers of forest area left?
I spent hours and days going through archives of data in libraries and on the net. Do you do that too?
I'm able to accomplish a lot in a very short time with maximum accuracy because I use the Spatial Agent, an app created by the World Bank. It places the world in your palm via deep core stats, breaking data, vibrant maps, and revealing charts, all neatly stacked into tabs to help you answer social, environmental, and economic questions.
Tell me more.
It's all here. The Spatial Agent taps into high-quality map and information databases that global institutions of UN agencies, NASA, CESN, IRI, and the World Bank build and maintain through systematic observation, collation, and analysis of our planet.
The most authentic sources.
Yes, we can access data through interactive maps and charts, national, regional, or global. Simply go to Google Play or App Store, type Spatial Agent World Bank. Download it.
Done.
Now you have the most authentic information on that iPhone of yours. Mind you, all this data is collected by many agencies from the countries of the world and then collated by international agencies, satellite agencies, and data services.
Wow, look here. I can check on access to electricity, advances in agriculture, methane gas emissions, capital to assets ratio of banks, employment rates, contraceptive use, trade and exports.
And more. Child labor, cars per household, enrollment in schools, even traffic situations.
That. Really practical tool, I must say. This app would be a great help to many people.
Extremely. I bank on it to get my work done. Pun intended. Also, check the population density map to identify areas that need solutions to the challenge of hunger and issues of high population density. The Earth Wind Map helps analyze the distance pollen would travel and thus the likely path of disease. With this information, countries could enhance their preparedness. Choose from the exhaustive list of items, change in surface temperature, active fires, and their side effects like emissions.
Isn't that what you're working on?
I'm also determining the release of carbon in the atmosphere for the Ministry of Environment. The Ministry of Water Resources could also use this information to bring about a coordinated approach to policy.
It has wide applicability, this Spatial Agent.
Anyone could use it. Developmental professional, research scholar, engineer, government agency, minister, professor, student, quizmaster, or anyone curious about our planet.
So, whom do I thank for this?
You're welcome.